OKFM 101.7.
For the police.
Talking about police and arrests, there is another issue on person in PK Wadrian Sana Menja Ukraina Onko. Police force Omwa invite Rosemont Brown, Akuapem Poloo. So is this some 2-3 days running? Say Ombe Buamo in some investigation. Regarding Ufoni Biodi Tudra, she wasn't wearing clothes in the presence of her son, a child of about 7-year-old. Omofili say it's against the law. Poloo nsu onkoi so far. At least I listened to the regional crime PR, CID PRO this morning, or see Asa this morning, Rosemont Brown by. Omo ben Rosemont Brown also see Rosemont see onya invitation bia. On T crampo say a police force no. How do we take it from here?
Under the law, they are right. Let me explain to you.
Who are the D?
The people who also I'm talking about microphone.
Okay.
If you put an invitation in the social media level, they are looking for Councillor Lutterodt, and I've not gotten the rift direct. I have not gotten it, and under the law, I have the right not to appear. That's the law. So until they are able to get the letter to Rosemont Brown to receive, they can't say she has refused coming.
Almost see friend phone lines obianfa.
So at the end of the day, they have not gotten Rosemont Brown. So the police cannot say that she's not coming. That is fair. So the police should maybe stop talking and look for Rosemont Brown. Because under the Electronic Transmission Act 2008, we have the facility now in Ghana by our taxes, to be able to locate where Rosemont Brown is. So the police looking for Rosemont Brown are inviting her. She's not under arrest. She's under invitation for investigation. Is that what they think? So CID should investigate so they can be able to get a thing. They have not gotten Rosemont Brown. So anybody who said that Rosemont Brown is refusing to go to the police station is not true. She heard that they said they are looking for her, but nobody has sent her a letter showing that they are looking for her.
Okay, let us.
So you can't go to the police station. I heard on social media that the CID is looking for me. No. Have a letter that gives you the locus to go there, and you have the right to an attorney. Get a letter. No attorney does hearsay. Every attorney takes your letter. So he goes to CID and say, my client, according to a letter with reference number RTAGOB 746, say she has been invited to CID headquarters since the day so. We received this letter on so day. That's why we are here. Rosemont Brown has not received any letter.
Okay.
So CID are saying they've invited Rosemont Brown. It's a verbal utterance. They have not been any letter to him. So they say she has not come. I don't think anywhere by law she has broken any rule because she has not received a letter and refused to attend.
Okay.
Do you get it?
I get you. Let's move on.
OKFM 101.7.